Most garbage disposals sold today are noisy and underpowered for heavy kitchen waste. Pick wrong, and you're out $200 and a clogged drain. Tired of disposals that jam or stall when you need them most? This video will help you pick confidently and avoid buyer's remorse. Today, I'm going to be going over the best garbage disposal that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Waste Maid 10SWM0583B. We designed this for busy households and budget-conscious remodelers who need reliable waste handling without breaking the bank. The unit's compact form fits under most sinks while maintaining a sturdy stainless steel grinding system that resists corrosion and everyday wear. The easy 3-bolt mounting simplifies installation, enabling direct replacement for many brands and reducing service time for kitchen upgrades significantly. Continuous feed operation lets you add food waste while the motor runs, while recommended water flow helps flush debris and prevent clogs. Torque Master grinding system uses stainless steel impellers and a balanced turntable to maximize torque, minimize vibration, and extend life. Warranty coverage includes a 6-year warranty on the disposer and a lifetime warranty against corrosion. On the bench and in real-world tests, the 2,600 RPM motor provides steady grinding and relatively quiet operation. In real-world testing, the Waste Maid demonstrated dependable performance in daily kitchen waste processing with minimal jam incidents. We tested continuous feed with normal scraps and water flow for several days, noting smooth operation and easy cleaning afterward. In comparison to a well-known competitor, the Waste Maid offers similar grinding capability at a lower price and a longer warranty. The pros include fast installation, strong torque grinding, and corrosion-resistant build. The cons include not being the quietest option among disposals and a less established brand footprint in some regions. Its compact footprint fits under most sinks, and the stainless steel grinding chamber resists corrosion, staying easy to clean with regular maintenance. With a price around $69.99, this model delivers strong value, reflected by a solid customer rating. At number 4, we have the Waste King L1. This compact unit targets busy households seeking reliable, quiet performance while simplifying everyday kitchen cleanup and reducing clogs caused by food scraps. The unit uses a rust and corrosion-proof glass-filled nylon grind chamber and a low-profile body to maximize under-sink space. Its lightweight construction and easy mount design speed installation, while the pre-installed power cord eliminates any need for additional electrical work. Removable splash guard for easy cleaning and a front-mounted reset button for simple troubleshooting during heavy usage sessions. Sound insulation is included to minimize noise during operation, helping keep conversations and meals uninterrupted even when grinding tougher peels and shells. Continuous feed operation provides quick continuous grinding without pausing between batches, improving daily throughput and kitchen cleanliness significantly. Powered by a 1/3 horsepower permanent magnet motor turning at 1900 revolutions per minute, it resists jams better than competing units. A 2-year warranty backs up the unit, and real-world use shows steady grinding and reliable jam resistance during normal meals. Installation is designed for quick, tool-free mounting with an included dishwasher hookup to simplify post-meal cleanup and keep sinks sparkling. In real-world testing, it delivered reliable, continuous operation without overheating while handling peels, fibrous materials, and occasional shells with ease. The 1/3 horsepower rating delivers a balance of efficiency and adequate grinding power for regular daily use. Compared with a rival brand, this unit offers easier installation and stronger jam resistance in daily kitchen use. The pros include easy installation, pre-installed power cord, and low-profile design. The cons include higher price and noise during grinding. At number 3, we have the Max 3. This device targets homeowners seeking quiet, reliable upgrades for under-sink waste management, delivering practical convenience and dependable everyday use. It suits small kitchens and renters who want plug-and-play installation with minimal fuss and straightforward repairs if needed. From a distance, the rugged stainless steel grinding chamber paired with a leak-proof housing signals durability and long-term reliability. The unit includes a pre-wired power cord and a generous capacity designed for typical households performing daily food disposal tasks. A high-speed AC motor paired with 2-stage grinding minimizes noise and vibration while delivering rapid waste reduction. The stainless steel grinding chamber resists rust while the durable housing remains leak-proof, supporting daily family use. The 3-bolt mounting system ensures secure installation and compatibility with most current flanges, simplifying replacement during upgrades. This kit includes the disposal unit, stopper, power cord, L-tube, gasket, hex wrench, screws, and user instructions. If you demand plug-in simplicity and reliable performance, this model aligns well with your everyday kitchen maintenance goals. In comparison to a budget rival, this model offers higher quality build and smoother grinding performance overall. The pros include durable stainless steel chamber, pre-wired power cord, and straightforward 3-bolt installation. The cons include air switch not included and downpipe assembly not included. During real-world testing, the unit operated with minimal vibration and consistent grinding, delivering reliable debris reduction through routine cycles. At number 2, we have the DC Garbage Disposal, a powerhouse designed to blend quiet operation with 6-stage grinding for busy kitchens. From unboxing to daily use, the build communicates quality with a titanium alloy stainless steel grinding plate and a rock-solid mounting system. Installation benefits from a secure 3-bolt mounting system and a simplified design that facilitates swap-outs and routine sink maintenance. Defined by its compatibility with standard household power, the unit operates on 110 volts, 60 Hz, for reliable, wide reach. Equipped with a dual-layer 6-stage grinding system, it efficiently reduces tough waste and minimizes jams that plague lesser designs. Maintenance is straightforward with removable components, a comprehensive kit, and clear instructions that empower quick cleaning and year-after-year serviceability. Sound dampening is prioritized with a double-layer casing, insulated materials, and an enhanced splash guard that keeps kitchen noise to a minimum. During evaluations, it maintains steady grinding performance while handling typical household scraps, and showed effective vibration control, contributing to longer motor life. Testing confirms 2,700 RPM operation with stable torque and steady grinding across common kitchen wastes. Compared with the InSinkErator Evolution Compact, the DC Garbage Disposal delivers similar grinding ability while offering quieter operation overall. The pros include quiet operation, a durable titanium grinding plate, and easy installation, all of which contribute to noticeably smoother daily kitchen use. The cons include a higher price and maintenance complexity, which may affect long-term value for budget-minded buyers. Final considerations focus on durability, compatibility with standard sinks, and ongoing service options that help keep performance consistent over years of daily use. Overall, the DC Garbage Disposal offers solid performance, quiet operation, and install-friendly design, making it a strong choice for demanding kitchens. At number 1, we have the InSinkErator Badger 5XP. Right away, the Badger 5XP communicates rugged reliability for busy kitchens where everyday waste disposal demands calm efficiency and straightforward installation. With height of 12.63 inches and width of 6.31 inches, the disposer fits under sinks neatly. Its 3/4 horsepower Dura Drive induction motor delivers robust grinding power while maintaining reliability through routine daily scraps. A single-stage grind concentrates efforts on scraps while jam-busting torque helps prevent clogs, extending service life in daily use. Its compact width, measured at 6.31 inches, frees cabinet space while enabling straightforward under-sink installation. The kit includes a jam-buster wrenchette and a kitchen drain stopper, enhancing installation versatility and immediate post-install practicality. Backed by a 4-year limited service warranty, this model promises long-term confidence for households prioritizing dependable waste management. Real-world testing shows the Badger 5XP with 3/4 horsepower motor grinds effectively through typical scraps, maintaining steady drainage. The unit ships with a factory-installed power cord, simplifying setup and eliminating the need for extra wiring during installation. Compared to a budget line rival, the Badger 5XP offers sturdier construction and longer warranty, translating to more durable daily usage. The pros include durable stainless steel grind components, easy DIY installation with minimal tools, and compact under-sink design that saves cabinet space. The cons include moderate noise under heavy loads in an open kitchen and a price premium versus entry-level disposals. Lift and latch technology secures a flawless fit by guiding alignment during mounting, reducing frustration, and making installation noticeably faster. In summary, the InSinkErator Badger 5XP delivers dependable performance, compact design, and installer-friendly features ideal for mid-size kitchens.